Here's how you can build your backend using Codex with the Xano CLI and Developer MCP. Install the Xano CLI globally using npm. Next, install the XanoScript language server extension from the VS Code Marketplace. This gives you proper syntax highlighting while you work. Install the Developer MCP so Codex can learn how to write and validate XanoScript as it builds. Now, authenticate with your Xano account. If you're self-hosted or working in another environment, include the URL when you authenticate. And select the instance you want to work with. If you're starting a brand new project, you can skip selecting a workspace during authentication. Create a local folder for your project. This is also a good time to initialize a Git repository if you plan to use version control. Create a new workspace, then link it to your profile. If you're continuing an existing project, just select your workspace during authentication. Whether you're starting fresh or picking up an ongoing project, you'll need to pull your workspace files to your local directory. Now, let's build something. We'll ask Codex to build a backend for a loan origination platform. If you want to check out the code locally, you can do so in your IDE of choice using our XanoScript language server extension. Push everything to your Xano sandbox so you can validate it before moving to production. The CLI will obey any permissions set by Xano's robust RBAC controls, so your team is never working where they shouldn't be. Inside the sandbox, you can run your business logic and inspect the results. Let's make a quick update. Everything looks good. Let's publish this to a new branch and set that one live. Let's make a quick update. In Codex, this time inside our IDE, we'll ask it to add some additional user activity logging. And then push those updates to the sandbox. Any changes being promoted to production will be presented in this Git-style diff view so you can know easily exactly what's being pushed. Now that we've validated our work in the sandbox, we are ready to promote to our production workspace. One of the really cool things about this workflow is that Codex already has the full context of our backend, so it can easily build us a frontend to go along with it. Let's try that now. And we're done. A full backend and frontend for our loan origination platform, built with Codex and Xano. Ready to get started?